Just for fun, I decided to pull out all of my Young Living product and station it around my kitchen to show you what I've got. So here are the Savvy Minerals products, blush and lipstick, Essential Rewards info, Endoflex, and here are oils for supporting the musculoskeletal system, as well as pain relief with the Coolazole pain cream. Anybody needs some oils for grounding? I know I do. All the tree oils are good for that. How about weight management? All of our Sleek products, our yummy Sleek Shake, the gum and the tea, and then my favorite, well, I love the Sleek bars, the Ninja Wolfberries. Those are delicious. I eat that after lunch and dinner, a handful. It's healthy for me and it takes care of any sweet cravings. Supplements, Immunipro, support your immune system, Essential Zymes for digestive, MegaCal, that stuff tastes good, calcium supplement, Agiles for joints, longevity, overall immune, BLM, that's bones, ligaments, muscles, SuperCal Plus, that's calcium, and then 2 different kinds of Super C, one chewable, one not. Coming on around the station, I've got my favorite sandalwood cream, the wonderful deodorant, the Art Skincare System with the foaming wash, the toner, and the light moisturizer. Moving into more personal care, the mouthwash, the toothpaste, oils. I actually slather those on in the shower. Cellulite Magic, for cellulite. Okay, Morning Start Bath Gel, and then shampoos and conditioners. I love a little variety, so I have lavender, plus I have the Copaiba Vanilla and the conditioner, and the Satin Mint Facial Scrub. Love that. Rub out those lines in my face. Okay, the Thieves Laundry Soap and the dishwasher powder is in that plastic bag. There's the Thieves Household Cleaner, the Thieves Dish Soap, and my solution for the dryer. Put a few drops of essential oil on these wool balls instead of dryer sheets, because dryer stuff and fabric softener is some of the most toxic stuff in your household. Now we move on around here to a station of essential oils for romance. Gotta like that. Lucy Libido, there's an essential oil for that. Hey, hey, hey. And some roller balls. Well, I had some fun making things like Goddess Divine and Love Potion number 9, as well as Happy Ending. Who came up with that name? Now, moving on over here, oils for spirituality and manifesting with names like Highest Potential, my personal favorite, Envision, Awaken, Inspiration, Believe, Abundance, and then oils for emotions, things like forgiveness, trauma life, peace and calming, surrender. Know anybody that needs that? Tranquil. Maybe I need to be zen, gratitude. How about some oils for focus, like clarity, brain power, and the Kid Genius oils? Now, making my way over to the next table, Bible oils, things like cassia, frankincense, myrrh, aloes, rose of Sharon. How about outdoor? We've got our insect repellent, our mineral sunscreen. I love, love, love that. Put it on underneath my makeup. Lavender and cooling spray. And, okay, that's a pile of oils that I pulled out from somewhere else. Immune boosting oils. Lots of stuff. The inner defense, Here's a respiratory support roller ball I've worked up, and lots of oils for immune support. All these belonged over here. So things like lemongrass, rosemary, copaiba, acacia, melrose, longevity, raven, myrtle, immunipower, clove, thieves, tea tree. Now, sleep. Probably needs some oils to help you sleep. Look at all the oils that help you sleep. Lavender, vetiver, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, bergamot, sandalwood, marjoram, cedarwood, and frankincense. That should be vetiver with a V. And then cooking oils and drinking oils. Wow, cooking and eating. I love to eat. If you know me, you know I love to eat. Things like ginger, basil, marjoram, tarragon, fennel, black pepper, tangerine, grapefruit, orange, lavender. All these you can ingest. And then Progestins Plus for a little hormone support. That is my sampling of all my Young Living stuff that I hauled out and put around my kitchen to show you.